Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete pins from Pinterest in bulk to clean up your boards and organize your saved content, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open Pinterest on a web browser on your computer for easier bulk management. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select your profile from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Click on the board that contains the pins you want to delete in bulk. Step 4. Click the Organize button at the top of the board to enter edit mode. Step 5. Click on individual pins to select them, or click Select All to choose all pins on the current page. Step 6. After selecting the pins you want to delete, click the three-dot icon or More Options button. Step 7. Select Delete from the drop-down menu to remove the selected pins from your board. Step 8. Confirm the deletion by clicking Delete again when prompted to permanently remove the pins. Step 9. Repeat these steps for additional pages or boards if you want to delete more pins in bulk. Step 10. Click Done when finished to save your changes and exit Organize mode. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.